Spring has sprung, so swing by the produce aisles to see all the fresh, delicious options. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to enjoy more veggies, perfect for your Easter spread or any celebration of spring. Asparagus is at its peak right about now, and this is one of my favorite ways to serve it up. I lined a baking pan with foil, and now I'm giving it a light coat with non-stick spray. Spread the asparagus in a single layer on the baking pan, and sprinkle it with some basil-flavored olive oil. It adds such a nice light touch of flavor to the asparagus. Add some salt and pepper, and pop that into a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. I've got a cup of cherry tomatoes that I've already quartered, and I'm going to toss those with 2 teaspoons of that basil-flavored oil, along with 1/3 cup Hy-Vee finely shredded Italian cheese. Pull it out and turn the oven on to broil. Transfer the asparagus to a broiler-safe baking dish. Top that with some more of the Italian cheese, about 1/2 cup, and then spoon the tomato mixture over the middle. Broil that for just a couple of minutes to get the cheese a little melty. And now I'm going to drizzle with a little balsamic glaze. And a couple of fresh basil leaves as a garnish. Delicious, pretty, and a special way to showcase the best of spring veggies. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.